Are we today? This is a new feature of Unicontrol that I want to demonstrate to you today. It's called surface from cross section. You can see here is an XML drawing of a road that I have created at the moment. Basically you can work from one polyline to create a surface drawing of a road. And if you look at the top screen on the right, you can see when I put my excavator bucket on the target, if I move out from it, you can see the camber there. The bucket is lifting away. 20 mil probably in the meter, which I think I put in a graded 2% on this one. And once you go out to, you can see the line here. This is the extremity of our road, this section. And you can see here where on the bottom screen you can see where the camber comes down and it starts rising out again. So let's show you how to do it. So I'm going to just draw a new line, and I need to turn on my drawing feature. So it's a spline we want to draw, and I'm going to log my first point here, and another, and another, and another, and another. I'm just doing this quickly. On some site drawings you'll find that you'll have a center median on your site drawing for the center of the road. But for this I'm just going to draw a little curved line with the excavator. So once we have our line, we click on our top right hand side of the screen. You'll see the 3 dots, 3 lines. It's our jobs menu or our project menu. We select the jobs menu, we select create surface, click on next, surface from cross section, click on next. We have a start elevation there at 38.64, and we'll say there's a slope of 2% on it. Okay. Actually, no, I'm going to take out that percentage. I'm going to put in an end elevation. As I say, most site drawings will have a polyline with the determined heights on it, so it will never ask you for them. I'll just call it 40. Okay. And I want to select this line. You can see once you select it, we'll make that 2%, and it will calculate it in for you. So we click on next. You can do a V drain, you can do a wider drain, you can do the third one down. Looks more like a kind of a road. You'd have a camber in the middle digging down to either side and a batter away, and the lower one then is a custom. So I'm just going to go for the third one down here, which kind of looks like the shape that I want for a road. Click on next. So we see here, you can see the yellow line is the center line, the line that I drew, and it's asking us, the very first link that's asking us here, if we look at the symbol, it shows the center line of the road, and it's the distance out to the first point, and that will be for left and right of the road. So I'm going to assume that we're going to have three meters either side and say OK. I'm going to assume that our slope is at -3%. OK. And from our curb line out, then I'm going to allow 2 meters. Done. And I want the percentage then to be +3. So that way, when you're sitting and digging for the center, you should be sitting level for your dig for your curb line. And you can see our shape on the top right, and that's the shape that we're going to be excavating to or working to. And click on next. So its job type is XML. We'll put in the job name. We'll say entrance road. Okay, it's an XML format. It's a surface from cross section. We click select done, and there is our road drawn, all in under 5 minutes. And if we look around, slew around, and just go into the middle of it, and we can see our road. Just going to change this to the, we have the two views, and you can see I used my 3% there to just show the camber that is put on it. You can see here that 30 mil per meter at 3%, because this bucket here is a meter in width, so our 3% looks to be true. And when we go out to, as if you can see in the plan view there, we're hovering over the yellow line with our blue red cross, and from this point out it's rising at 2% for our 3% for the 2 meters to allow you to be level. And you can also see that if I track here, I'll be staying on the level. Then we have a fall of, let's just go, 1.33 meters to the bottom end. And that's our road created, our little drawing for our site road, which is, I think, really, really handy. Thank you.